What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the live stream. Don't forget to smash that like button if you haven't already. We're trying to get this thing to 150 likes so we can open the live chat for everyone. So let's get to it. It's a few things you guys want me to review here really quickly, but in the meantime, until we get this thing to 150 likes, you're watching a master at work. What's going on with TVGN? Busting across the... Ooh, it looks spicy right now, guys. TVGN, 15. $1.93 inbound. We got a bail on it. We got a bail, nice little gap up. Thumbs down. Ha ha ha. Tech guy on his heels. We got 76 people currently watching, guys. If you haven't smashed that like button, let's get this thing to 150 likes. I believe that's where we at with it. 64% said no, they didn't catch today's alert on GNPX. We'll get them next time, right? We will get them next time. We're looking for $1 again, $1.93, maybe $1.91 on TVGN. What else is going on? What else is new here? ANTF. I'm not liking this too much. 61 likes, guys. We are getting pretty close. We're getting pretty close. We need 100 likes. Sorry about that. We need 100 likes in order to open that live chat for everybody. Not too many, just only 100 likes. Which means we're only 38 away. Let's get it, guys. I know it's a few questions you want to ask me. It's only in 360. Hold on. Let me see here. How is it only at 360? That is crazy. Let me fix this. Bear with me, guys. My tech guys just informed me on something. Let's see here. All right, I fixed it. I found out the problem here. Back at it. All right, man. We should be back at it. I'm waiting for everything to queue up. We back at it? Are we back at it? I don't know. I'm getting loading screens over here. I don't know. Are we back at it? I don't know, guys. I'm getting loading screens on my end. What's going on? Are we in 1080p? All right, we should be back at it. It's working. All right, yeah, man. I had screwed some stuff up when I was making videos last night, but VSE here. Guys, don't forget to smash that like button. We're only 28 likes away from opening that live chat. So, again, don't forget to smash it. I really want to find something lower here on the percent. TVGN starting to making its way to the 193 EE. And I'm not joking. It's getting there pretty close. 193. Yeah, that should be an easy play for those that want something less risky. TVGN is starting to push here. We got our OKOL. I think we hit our PT here today. I'm not sure. For all my Discorders, I think we did hit the PT. Let's see. Oh yeah, shout out to those that did play the GNXP here today at that 80 cents. But let's check our OKLO. Just 21 likes away, guys. Okay. My man's got scared here the other day on the 18th. Somebody's tanking. Huh. All right. That thing was, we got in this thing on the 16th. For the young 1470, set a new price target later that day. 1660, set a new price target here on the 18th for the $22. So no, we haven't hit PT just yet, but we're still heading towards it. We hit high 21 here today. Yeah, we should be hitting that 22 here later this week for all my OKLO traders out there. Don't forget, man, smash that like button. We're only 19 away, guys. I know it's a lot of questions and stocks that you guys want me to review and give you my thoughts and insight on it. So smash that like button. All right, guys. OKLO 22 on the fly. Did we find anything else lower here? I want to find us something under OKLO. I mean, well, that's days in the past. Let's find us something new. X Steel. No. DJT. Why would it do that? Not DJT. That's something that we're already on. It's a lot of things flying here. TWG. Let's see. Looks like it's about to make a pop. Yikes. So much risk comes with this. Buying risk. Yeah, this comes with a high risk factor here today. Too risky. But it does look like you want to break that 875. Just 15 likes away, guys, from opening up that live chat. If you haven't already, please. And our NNE, I know we spoke about this not too long ago. I told you guys NNE as well as UEC, two best nuclear or uranium plays out there. UEC being the best uranium, NNE best nuclear play, hands down. NNE, man, we got on this thing a while ago. A while ago. I gotta alert the Discord, let everyone know. New PTs coming out here soon. Yeah, we'll do that in a second, guys. We having too much fun here, right? Let's see. 12 likes away. I'm just waiting. I'm just excited to see what you guys got to ask me here. A few plays. Hopefully you guys throw some my way so I can make some easy money here today. Okay, LO is just sticking around, right? That thing should grab. I think not. X. TWG. We got OKLO. And GRI. I wouldn't touch that right now. We want to find something under 15%. We're 10 likes away from glory. Can we do it? Can we get 100 likes here in today's live stream so we can open that live chat? I think so. NBIS. We just alerted this over in the Discord, baby. And it's looking pretty good. What y'all think? We alerted NBIS at $17.95. With that price target being $20. I labeled this a swing trade. In case you guys don't know what a swing trade is. Because I know a lot of people have been asking me, what is a swing trade today? Swing trade is where you're basically not expecting for it to hit the price target that same day, but it never fails, right? It never fails. We tend to hit that price target same day a lot of times. So 2 likes away. Just 2 likes away. All right, man. NBIS, for those that did grab this in the Discord, it is looking promising to our price target. Confident on that. For our NNE shareholders, things couldn't get any better, right? Smash that like button. One away. Who's going to be the 100th like? Whoever is the 100th like will get 30 days free here on our Discord server. Okay, let me see who was that. All right, just comment your name. Okay, our 100th like. All right, it can't be more than one person, right? So who was that 100th like? Drop it in the comment section below. All right, guys. Yeah, just send it to, hop in the Discord, screenshot that 100th like, that you're the 100th like, and yeah, you will get 30 days free. But NNE, $28 on the fly by the end of the week should be achieved easily. Now, let's open up this live for you guys to bombard it. Floodgates are now open. All right, guys, throw whatever you got at me. Except the I just like hit that link, Kenny. That wolf pack dropped the Discord link. Screenshot that 100th like, and you'll get your 30 days free. GNPX, man, it is. Why is it trying to pick back up here? Bounce off the bottom on the Bollinger. That looks slight promising. I need to see this thing cross the mid, but 3, 5, 15. 3 looks great. 5 looks even better on the buy side, and 15 looks strong on that bounce of the mid. So looking pretty darn bullish in GNPX here right now. We got, is this working? Yeah, Francisco. Yeah, Francisco, it's working, man. Working like it's never been before. I'm just checking out the live chat, seeing what you guys got to say. We got hello. GRI, huge bounce. Shout out to Mike. Just threw GRI at us. We got is that a S? Yeah, SEDG. We got ATYR. NIXX. Is it worth jumping in now? GNPX, man, listen, bro. We just got a circuit breaker too, but it's funny that we get the circuit breaker now. But listen, no, man, we don't chase things, man. I wouldn't chase something 300% up, nah. I mean, it could see a short cover here tomorrow, but I would buy it during the short cover situation, not buying it now, betting that a short cover situation to take place. No. It's not how we do things. Shout out to Server Robotics. And what is that? SERV? Is that SERV? I usually don't know the full name of these companies unless it's blue chips. Unless I use the company. Like Microsoft, Apple, things like that. But ASTS. All right, I just want to see which way this halt, guys. Show of hands. Well, show of comments. Sorry about that. Show of comments. Up or down on the halt. In fact, where we going with this one, guys? Up or down on the halt? Let's look at our cheat sheet. Cheat a little bit here. Oh no, y'all can't see the cheating, can they? I think they can't see that screen. Yep, I'm caught. They see the screen. All right. Oh yeah, $1.68. Quite interesting. Unless we see a huge shift, it look like this thing is about to go up. Hold on, I think this one beats it. Nope. I don't know, guys. I wouldn't chase it though. TNXP, we're gonna check it up. We got a lot of people thinking down. TNXP, we'll check out TNXP. Don't forget, keep smashing that like button, guys. For those that didn't, let's get as many likes as possible. All right, many likes as possible. Under the DJT Act, this thing should, man, I keep saying 34 to 37, right? I keep saying it. I don't count this as 34 because it was a pre-market play. So I'm talking 34 throughout the trading day is what I want to see. And DJT, but yeah, it's looking pretty good. Our 15 looks wonderful. 3 looks like it is about, no, that's the 5. The 3 looks like it looks great. The continuation to the top, and we should rock this upper on this 5 here pretty soon. Shout out to those that did smash the like button, and we're about to start doing tickers here in a second. For a few of you that want me to review them. Yeah, NNE is just blasting away. That $28, it looks like it may be hit here today. Long-term play right here. Let's see what our beloved UEC is doing. Okay, let's see here. Gap field. Do we want to go to the gap? 740. I think we probably would trace a little bit lower than that 740 here in our UEC. NIXX for my boy New Wave. All right, let's look at it. Well, IEVP bump back to 10. It's a great question. Plug power. Check out Grab. Grab did hit the Richter scale one time. Grab Holdings. Market cap 3.96 billion. Shout out to Marty for becoming a early seat member here of the YouTube channel. Shout out to you, Marty, man. A lot of great content for you YouTube members. Exclusive content, alerts, and, you know, being able to watch the videos before the premieres is always a great perk. I say myself, new high coming. And, man, look, the new high is a half a cent away. New high coming, I mean, 3.96, 2. That's a huge float. Volume, 32.52 million. We need a lot of volume to roll into this thing. I mean, it looks good. The retracement shouldn't be too bad if buying in at this moment. But slow mover. It looks good. Shout out to my who alerted this one. Okay, my boy John. Jay Smith, shout out to John for this one, man. Yeah, looks pretty clear on the continuation. Only thing is, massive number of holdings. It's currently profitable, so you're risking that buying high right now. But for those that is still in this thing, I wouldn't sell it. I will hold. Teresa is in the building. Everybody make way. Shout out to Teresa, man. Huge supporter here of the channel. Always drop comments. Leave a like. The comments and likes really go a long way, guys. I think you just don't know. All right, we got, again, shout out to Jay Jones, one of our Easy Money members. I don't get the alerts. Hey, TK, help out Jay Jones. I think Jay Jones did get, I'll help you out, man. Hit the Discord link. Let me give you the Discord link really quickly. Just hit, if you can, hit the Discord link and DM me in the Discord. Jay Jones. TK, you still in here? Can you handle that one? Any good thoughts on DBGI? Jay Jones. Jay Jones actually got, that's his Discord name too. I think he got the Discord through the YouTube, but I'm not sure. But grab, yeah, low volume, low mover, GNPX. Did we go up, guys? Was this a up? Yeah, a up one. Not much though. Very volatile. You got to think about it. Market cap is only 6 million. Well, earlier today it was much lower than that, but share float 3.37 million. Not much. When the share float is low like this, it's like your accelerator. All right. So when you're looking for a play, all right, this is the Obi way. All right. When I'm looking for a play, so for instance, bam, NNE. Well, it just caught my eye too quickly. OKLO. Like we got all the good ones. LTBR. So when I look at LTBR, then I quickly look at the market cap and the share float, which is 12 million. That's pretty damn low. So I expect for that thing to move fast up or down pretty quickly. So I look at it for momentum interests. And there she blows. Oh my God. When I'm in these live streams, man. PT. I could alert this over in the Discord, but it is breaking at 1040. PT 1040 swing trade. Oh, look at all that time it's spending in that upper. This thing severely bullish. Slight mid break on that mid. And a break to the upside. Yeah, this finna break a new high, 1040 pre-market high. Swing trade though. What we got? UEC. I got you, Shell. UEC on the retracement. I think we said we wanted to fall back. I'll bring it back up. Nice climb on FTEL. Light bridge. Let me alert this. All right, back at it. Oh, fuck. Shit's always flying when I'm looking the other way. Am I the only one that have that problem? The moment you look away, things fly off the chart. GNPX is still moving. LTBR, watch out for that. What else we got here? Ooh, SERV. I think somebody told me to look at SERV. This is an Nvidia Holdings, by the way. I just didn't know the actual name of SERV, that's all. But I'm pretty darn familiar with it. Let's say that. This is part of Nvidia Holdings. Like I told y'all guys before, just don't just look at Nvidia, AMD, and companies like that. SERV is one of those companies that Nvidia is very highly confident in. RX, SOUN, as well as NNOX, as well as ARM. My boy G Money want to check out GCT. All right, I got you, G Money. But SERV, man, $12. Got $12 on short-term PT. SERV may just get an update video here on the channel here later today as well. So be looking out for that. SERV alongside Nvidia. So we'll play those two together. Currently got 120 likes. Man, I think we did 181 last video. So can we beat the last stream, guys? We'll probably keep doing 2 streams a week. Friday, special guest. And Monday, you guys are stuck with me. Worst thing of it all, you're stuck with me on Mondays, guys. But let's see here. Yeah, $12 swing trade, not swing trade, midterm hold, SERV. And let's see what else we can find here. LTBR. It's keeping its way. Wow, I think that was just destiny right there. Cursor was already on this thing. Was that fate? All right, let's crunch the numbers though, because we're not going off fate, right? Okay. Cover day. Okay, I knew all that was red. Oops. Wrong thing. Okay, this kicked off on when? This thing look like a buy. In my eyes, let me keep analyzing because it's shaping up pretty damn stiff here. $68. Yeah, man, I'm calling this one. We gotta call this one, man. RGTI. PT, $1.48. $1.48 on the PT4 RGTI, man. Hope you guys write that one down. We're gonna check out UEC for Shell. I think we spoke about it already, but UEC, guys. Slight retracement, gap fill is 740 to 748. But I think we're going to drop a little bit lower than that, around the 720-ish levels. On the retracement, great buy zone, though, for sure, for those that missed out on UEC. UEC was one of our first long-term plays, to be exact, guys. Like, we've been in UEC. Let me show you really quickly. We've been in UEC. We're no stranger to UEC on our long-term plays. Of course, UEC was back at $4.04. Letting everybody know to play the dips. Long-term hold. And surprisingly, we're at $8.33. That was 2023 though. last year. We've been talking about uranium, how nuclear power is going to be the next big thing. This was before the AI boom. And now we're here. And it's the talk of the market. PHUN is doing its damn thing right now. We heading to that $9. If y'all did catch, listen, man, I don't think y'all know this, but I do got a second YouTube channel. Make sure y'all check that out, man. My PHUN update. Looks like we're gonna reach and breach. So if this is doing that, what is DJT over here doing? Because one can't run without the other. All right, we need that 34 to 37 here in DJT. I've been saying this fucking for quite some time. TNXP. I got you, man. I got ya. It's pretty damn high. Share float. TNXP, reverse stock split. For sure, if you thinking about long term, but 20 break. I don't know, man. Here on the 15-minute chart, I don't see a full sign yet for bullishness. 3-minute chart, bearish. Yeah, it's bearish right now. 15-minute chart hasn't broke bearish or bullish just yet, though. But it is walking a fine line from a breakout to a breakdown. GVO. Gonna run through these quick, guys. We're gonna run through these quick. So we broke the trading day high. Back on the 17th. Resistance here at 334. We break this resistance. We gotta, let's see. Got resistance at 334. We broke that slightly. 338 is the upper. Huge resistance right now, which means we break this resistance. We can see $3.60 here quick. ATYR. ATYR. All in these things way up there. I mean, a lot of profitable exposure here. But if you're still in it, like me personally, I mean, ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Not huge though. Wide split. Yeah, man, this thing is severely overbought. That spread on that Bollinger is getting wide. I wouldn't touch it right now, me personally, standing on the sidelines. But if I was in it, I would consider locking in gains about 90% of my total position. Let's check out PHUN again really quickly, because that is surprisingly. Any news? No news. Let's check out our capital trend here really quickly. Cover day. Short cover wave taking place in PHUN. If you're new to the live stream, don't forget to smash that like button. We currently got 131 people watching and 125 likes. The numbers aren't adding up. And here in the stock market, guys, we always want the numbers to add up, right? So do the big O a favor. Smash that thumb. PHUN is looking good on the day, though. This thing may see a halt here. Besides this, let's check out DRUG. DBGI, any chance of a breakout today? I'll give you my thoughts here in a second. Drug looking pretty bad. Small scale, huge outflow. Retail taking profit today. Got 130 likes. We did 180 last video, guys. I know we can beat that this one. GRI, okay, hello. LTBR. PHUN is okay, hello, PHUN. NBIS. Okay, we had 1960. I forgot the PT on this thing. So many alerts. I answered so many questions, DMs. I don't see it. Oh, there you go. Right? Did I alert this thing? I don't think I put it in the Discord. NBIS. Oh, yes, I did. Oh, gosh, it's right there in my freaking face. It's crazy, right? All right, yeah, we're headed to the $20 PT. $1.70 would make. Okay, so that's a little bit over 10%. Look for this thing to break out here pretty soon. If you bought the NBIS alert, let me know in the comment section below. Or the live chat. Let's put a bell on it so we can move around. Create alert. Let's do alert this thing. We want to get an alert. We want this to alert us every 3%. Every 3%. I think volume is about to roll in here anytime soon. My boy Chan. Wants to check out DJT and PHUN. We just checked out PHUN, Chan. But But here on the 15-minute chart, what we want to see is this thing come back down to that mid and bounce. If we get a mid bounce, the next leg up will be much stronger than just going up now. So that retracement wouldn't be too bad. PHUN looking wonderful for some reason. I don't know why today it is. It looks like a short cover here, a massive short cover, just looking at the capital trend. As you can see, if we go to the day chart here really quickly, that net inflow 2.45 million, something that this company hasn't seen since who knows when. So it's pointing to a massive short cover here today. So it's going to be very interesting, that short sale data that we get in for PHUN here today. I will be updating it on my second YouTube channel. All right. So make sure you guys check that out. I'll be doing that update around the aftermarket close. All right. And just for those that don't know, this is my second YouTube channel here, Grandmaster-Obi. Make sure you guys check it out. Latest PHUN alert. Let everyone know short sellers is in trouble. So happened we see a short cover here today. I don't know how, but I guess it's a crystal ball. But yeah, $9 before the election. Make sure you guys check this out. Second YouTube channel. All right, BIVI. I think. Yeah, we hit the PT on that. We hit the PT on all here this morning. Who else alert? Not alert, but ticker we need to review. Should we lock in some games for PHUN today on the hop and the lower? I would lock in above 8. But I think we are headed to 9 before a retracement. So I will lock in some at 8, depending on your cost average. Oh, I see some. Boop, 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 boop. VSEE. News. American Airlines is on the retrace back to the lower at 208. It's two different Moomoo apps. I use like the original, and then you got the one with like the blue thing on it. It's like Moomoo Lite or something like that. It's much more social and more like, I don't know, modern. But it does look more complicated if you ask me. So I just stuck to what I know best. Shout out to those that's still watching the stream. Don't forget to smash that like button. How far do you eat? How far do you set your stop loss? It depends, Jay. I don't use a stop loss, but me personally, depends on the price target hit. After hitting the price target, let's say I would probably lock in, depending on price action hitting the price target, I'll probably lock in 80%. That's my usual move. And letting things go up from there. Let's say we buy stock at $1, price target at $1.10. It hits the $1.10. I set a new price target at $1.14. Now at that $1.10, I sold 80%, got 20% left, and I would set a stop loss, well, a mental stop loss at that point, at $1.08. My stop loss will always, basically, I'll still be in the money on my stop loss whenever it's triggered. Even though that I locked in 80% of majority of that position at a 10% gain. He says, check message. Okay. Manta says, are you using Mac? Yeah, I answered him, TK. He using a different version of Moomoo. A version that I am afraid to use. right, let's see. Every time we look away, it's something jumping. Sound doing this thing. Soundhound trying to bounce off of that low of that 513. It may be headed. Hold on. 550. We should come down a little bit more. I don't see any news on this thing. Why did it drop like this? Plummet. Acme Anvil. GNPX. NNE cross 30% on the gain. Did we hit 28 yet? Nope. Still ain't hit $28 on our NNE. Thoughts on X-Pawn? We'll check it out. We will check it out. It's up a dirty 30. I think we alerted this. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure we alerted this. I'm 100% sure we alerted this. I'm trying to figure out what stock hasn't been alerted over in the Discord. If it's a ticker, it has been alerted for some type of gain. You want to see that SKYX on the daily. X-Pond though. RS split. Short-term turnaround. That's basically it. Short-term turnaround with this reverse stock split. Market cap extremely low. Share float is even lower. All it take is the right crowd of people to start buying this. If people start buying this, it's going to move quickly, very fast. I'm talking about one of those $33 to $30 moves pretty quickly, but it's going to retrace just as quickly, maybe even faster. So, yeah, the market cap is going to present a good swing. But tomorrow's retracement may be extremely crazy here in XPON. A lot of risks come with a share float, 529,000. Market cap only 2.03 million. So is X-Pond good to get? I'm just giving you the risk factors. It depends on when to. Like, I'm a momentum trader, so I buy in the moment. And right now, GNX, let's go to it. GNPX. You right. You got me right. You got it. The GNPX. So let me fucking correct that. GNPX. There we go. That should work out for the YouTube algorithm. LTBR. And at 1040. Still think this 1040 is going to be broken here in LTBR. Still looking for our $28, which should be here today. I'm still confident with that one. Make sure you share the live stream. Yes, sir. You heard Teresa, everybody. You heard the woman. She know exactly what's going on, guys. Let's pin that. Bam. Again, shout out to Teresa, one of the big supporters here on the channel. Shout out to Tech Guy. We got my boy Stephen Buckley, Jay Jones. Who else out there? Aaron. My boy Nick. Julio. Shout out to everybody that joined the membership. Again, hope you enjoy all the perks. LTBR 10 for today. Recommend selling NNE at $20 or continuing for a long-term hold. $28 on the sale. It's a tough one. Depending on the price action after hitting it. But long-term, yeah, you got to take in consideration in it. Well, let me tell you everything. NNE is going to have a offering eventually. There's no way that they won't be able to keep things afloat. Like this company, even though I like it, it is going to have an offering, a major offering. We got share flow is only the share flow is only 2.56 million with a total share count of 30.13 million. So they have more room to dilute this thing than 90% of the companies on the market, which means locking those gains at 28. Lead the rest of the ride about 20%. After the offering, dig in deep. But NNE is going to have an offering. I just see it happening. Unless the share price goes up crazy. Well, even if the share price goes up even crazy, astronomical numbers, let's say like $50, it's going to give them even more reason to have an offering. I mean, we can unload shares at $50. Let's do it. So we can have money for our projects. Basically, it would be the reason behind it. Shout out to K Wild. Just upgraded the membership today. Trust me, you in good hands over in the Discord. Cause. I got you, Teresa. I remember Cost was part of the CLOV, Wish, and all that. Okay. All right. Honestly, just by looking at this very quickly, let's move our bias down. Break on the mid. Let's pull up our PCD. Yeah, I think this thing is about to challenge this mid here. The mid should come up around 740-ish, between 740 and 745, while challenging this lower on the retrace, not lower, but mid Bollinger Band on the retracement. Keep your eyes out for it to cross to the downside for a major bear flag. So that's what you're looking for. Of course, we're still in retracement. It's looking like this thing is going to continue to be bearish, so expect for it to challenge this mid. If it challenges it and consolidate, hold. If it breaks through the mid to the downside, I would run. Bounce off the mid to the upside, I would start buying a little bit more to unload at the top of that upper. But yeah, guys, this was a nice live stream. I hope that you enjoyed it. The next live stream will be on this Friday at 1 p.m. Central Time. Hope to see you guys then, and may the gains be with you.